Hello everybody and welcome to Sri Hari Naga Prabhu's all-time videos. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this Mandalorian's amban sniper rifle. It's really easy and kind of hard to make. Like this. Front. Okay. The required materials you will need is paper, duct tape, cardboard, and markers for coloring in. So first, on a big piece of cardboard. First, on a big piece of cardboard, you have to do this template. Just draw this first. I'll use it. This template. And then, oh yeah, you also need scissors. And then you can cut it. And then you have to cut it, with scissors. And then, I know you got your template, but we're not fully done it because you've got to add the decorations. Well, and then you need a piece of paper because, so you need a piece of paper, right? You just have to roll it as a hot dog, not like a sandwich. You have to roll it as a hot dog. Remember like an A4 paper like this? You have to roll it as a hot dog. Like you just have to take little bits and then like that. You have to take little bits and then just roll. And then you'll get it, and then you just have to put tape around, and then you put it here. So you can just imagine it as the scope, but it doesn't shoot. Yeah, and then you add it there, and then the Mandalorian's amban sniper rifle. it has this electric shock thing. So I would love you to split up some of it here, and then color it blue since the electricity is blue. And then you can color everything black, but then you also have to put the tape to stick the paper. So yeah, that's how you made it. Whoop, beep, 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 beep. Oh! Oh! Bee, bee, bee. Whoop. Move. Well, that was fun. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, share, and please subscribe to my channel. And please see all of my videos so I can get up to lots of subscribers. Thank you.